Here we have some sentences for quotation practice. So these 6 sentences need punctuation, quotation marks. There is one that will not need quotation marks. So if you want to pause the video here and go ahead and work through these sentences, put quotation marks where you think they should be, then you can unpause the video when you're ready for the explanations of how we're going to work them together. So we're back, and let's work through these sentences together to make them correct. So here we have, Abby said, we have a dog named Rover. So these are Abby's exact words. We have a dog named Rover. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a comma after said. We're going to put quotation marks in front of we, and this needs to definitely be a capital W. We have a dog named Rover. This is just a statement that she's making. So at the end of her statement, we're going to put a period, and then after the period, we're going to close the quotation marks. So there's our correct answer for number 1. Number 2, we're going to flip it around. We have a dog named Rover, said Abby. Here we have a capital W. We have a dog named Rover. We're going to put quotation marks in front of we. We're going to put a comma after Rover. This is what she said, but we're not allowed to put a period right here. We're going to put a set of quotation marks after the comma. This is a lowercase s because it's in the middle of our sentence, and we're going to end with a period. So here's number 2. We have a dog named Rover, comma, quotation marks, said Abby, period. Number 3, do you have a dog? Asked Abby. This time Abby's asking a question. So we're going to put quotation marks in front of do. We have a capital D. Do you have a dog? This is where she ends, where she's speaking. So we're going to put a question mark. This is her question. Do you have a dog? Quotation marks, no comma, lowercase a, asked Abby. Now this is just a sentence telling what she's asking. This is not a question. So we're going to put a period after Abby. Number 4, stop, yelled the officer. Since the officer is yelling the actual word stop, we know that we're going to put quotation marks before stop. We're going to put an exclamation and then close the quotation marks. No comma, lowercase y, yelled the officer, period. He's not yelling this part. Stop is what he's yelling. This is the part that is exciting and we need the exclamation. All right, look carefully at number 5. Mom said that she agrees with me. Now, did Mom actually say, some people would want to put quotation marks right here. Did the words that come out of Mom's mouth, were they actually that she agrees with me? No, Mom didn't say that she agrees with me. Mom wouldn't even say she agrees with me. Mom's talking about herself. So this sentence actually doesn't need any quotation marks. This is just someone kind of summarizing what the mom said. Mom said that she agrees with me. We do need a period at the end, but no quotation marks because they're kind of giving you the gist of what Mom said, but they're not using her exact words. And the word that is kind of a clue. When you see said that, that's a clue that she's not using exact words. All right, number 6, the officer yelled stop. We're doing it the opposite that we did in number 4. The officer yelled, comma, quotation marks. This is a capital S. Stop is what he yelled, exclamation, close the quotation marks. The officer yelled, stop. So, if you review, this was our quotation practice. Let me know if you have any questions.